The blue agave is a resilient succulent that concentrates sugars over a decade of growth.
Industrial agave plantations span thousands of hectares in the volcanic soils of Jalisco.
Preparation. The manual agave harvest begins with the precision sharpening of traditional tools. Welcome to Harvest Motion. Today, we witness the heavy-duty recovery of the agave crop.
Technique. The master harvester strikes the base to sever the agave from its root system. Efficiency. A professional team can harvest hundreds of agave plants in a single shift.
Shaving. The outer agave leaves are removed to reveal the sugar-rich heart, known as the piña.
Balance. Handling a 100-kilogram agave heart requires immense physical strength and coordination.
Industrial assist. Hydraulic claws expedite the collection of agave from the field to the trucks. Intake. The industrial processing of agave starts with a high-volume unloading system. Splitting. The agave piñas are halved to ensure the core is fully exposed for the cooking process.
Hydrolysis. The agave is cooked under pressure at 120 degrees Celsius to convert inulin into fermentable sugar.
Transformation. After 12 hours of cooking, the agave has turned soft and extremely sweet. Extraction. A series of high-pressure rollers squeeze the juice from the agave pulp. Waste management. The spent agave fiber is repurposed as organic compost for the fields. Biological conversion. Yeast is introduced to the agave juice to begin the fermentation cycle. Distillation. The agave liquid is heated to separate the pure spirit from the water. Maturation. High-quality agave spirits are aged in wood, to enhance the flavor profile. Precision. Modern bottling lines can process thousands of agave units per hour. Sustainability. For every agave harvested, a new pup is planted to begin the decade-long cycle.
The waxy texture of the agave leaf, designed to store water.
Agave syrup is a popular natural sweetener produced from the same plant.
Tradition. Some agave is still roasted in underground pits for a smoky flavor profile.
Careful, that's a heavy one. Just a few more layers, keep going.
The Tahona wheel, a massive stone disc, is used to crush the agave in traditional methods.
Arid resilience, master carving, industrial steam. This is Agave. Desert legend, high pressure power, global heritage. This is harvest motion.